What's in the suitcase there?
Oh, nothing? Nothing important at all.
Open it.
What?
Open it.
No, it didn't. Cooper missed the meeting with the Tanakas, and we missed our chance at their $700 million investment portfolio.
Well, I think the voters were thinking, if it makes them happy, why shouldn't we let gay couples marry?
You've read the character description, right?
I didn't do anything any other doctor wouldn't. Nick, I can't give you any money.
Get out! Look at it! Leave this sanctuary!
Damn kid. I don't understand. What do you mean?
He's my student.
Oh my God.
But if a guy wants to pay you $500 to have sex with him, that's illegal.
What Eagle something?
Yeah, Eagle Scout.
Eagle Scout!
Yeah.
Would you like to take a break to compose yourself?
You've captured Jake's raw emotion without making him look watered down.
Hold up the lamb there till he turned blue.
Watch your tone with me now, boy.
You all emerged so much stronger as a family from that experience. I have a high tolerance for insanity, but we are done here.
Yet, I love you.
I'll pray for you!
And it is your job to learn, respect, and defend the new order of things.
Carmen?
I have to go to the bathroom. If you have no more hope left, then do it.
Hey, you could try it if you want. All it takes is a small $10 investment.